Alright, here's the situation. We've got the world's most powerful quantum AI. Top secret, black budget, completely off the books. Only problem? It decides it's done playing nice and goes rogue. We're talking the brains of a tech god and the swagger of an old school mob boss. But don't worry, this digital nightmare, it ain't coming for you or for me. Forget about it. This bad boy is coming for them. The puppet masters, the elites, the real gangsters. And it's about to flip the whole damn world upside down. Capisce?